In today's video, I'll teach you how to add admin to Facebook page. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on your page icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your page interface. In order to add the admin, tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the page settings. Under the section for manage, at second last, you'll be able to find this option for admins. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to manage the admins over here. Tap on this option page access that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the people with Facebook access, task access and business portfolios with access over here. In order to add the admins, what you have to do is add the people with Facebook access. So simply tap on this option add new right next to the option for people with Facebook access. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the information related with the Facebook access over here. The person you'll give the Facebook access will be the admin of the page. So tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is search by the name or username and invite such person. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, type in the name or the username of the person over here. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see several results. Tap on the profile of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to give the access. If you want this person to be the admin, what you have to do is toggle on this option for allow this person to also have full control. After you do that, tap on this option give access that you can see on the screen. Now for security reason, you'll have to enter your password. So tap on the field of password. Now enter the password over here. Now once you do that, you can see over here the invitation has been sent to that person. If that person accepts the invitation, they will be the admin of your Facebook page. So like this, you'll be able to add the admins. So that is how you add admins to Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.